Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What?
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention. All transports hold for security clearance.
Stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast them!
Shields up, batuu. Where are we going? This is madness! Batuu, don't you dare make the jump to light speed! Now what? Pod race! I've always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We'll show him! Standard pod racer, which gives us the voice of power! Why? Now come on, pod, and let's get out of here! Watch out! What transmission?
Star Tours. I've been looking for you.
Sir Gatano, greetings.
C-3PO, R2. You're traveling with a friend of mine that has vital information for the rebellion.
The spy. I knew it.
Head to the rendezvous point I'm sending you. Good luck, Star Tours. And may the Force be with you.
Just a moment, R2. Let us consider this. Shields up, R2. I wasn't programmed for this. Most droids ought to get them off before they rip us apart. They've severed the controls. Pull up, batuu, pull up! Well done, R2. Are you sure this is the right way? They're not going the wrong way! We are, you nitwit! Look, R2, a platform! Let's land there! Thank the maker!
Welcome, Star Tours. I trust our colleague is safe.
Safe? Have you any idea what we've been through?
We're on your deck, Captain.
Captain, glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. Oh, and thank you for flying Star Tours.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Goodbye.
credit building.